E-Cloth Stainless Steel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Pack in-depth reviews. This product has 4.4 stars based on 3,637 ratings and 493 reviews. 84% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 9% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said lives up to the hype. You need elbow grease to use these, but the advantages outweigh the negative. Makes quick work of the fingerprints and smudges. Wet the striped one and follow up with the polishing cloth. You're left with gorgeous, shiny stainless. I recommend. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Does not clean stainless steel. I read all the glowing reviews about this product, so I ordered it. When it arrived, I was excited and immediately got it wet and set about wiping down my stainless steel refrigerator. It did next to nothing. All it managed to do was get my fridge mildly wet. It did not remove any of the smudge marks or fingerprints. I was so disappointed. The fridge looked as bad after I was done cleaning it as it did before. The stainless steel cleaning cloth is nice and thick and has a scratchy side and a smooth side. It's actually a nice cloth, but just doesn't work for cleaning stainless steel. The polishing cloth, however, is another story. It is seriously thin and I'm not impressed with it at all. It was soaking wet after a single use on my fridge. I'm pretty sure a single paper towel can absorb more water than this cloth can. It's completely ridiculous. I definitely will not be buying this again or recommending it to any of my friends. Complete waste of time and money. That's it.